Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed vocabulary and some part of grammar of the lesson Puru the Brave. And today, we are going to continue the same topic, that is grammar and some part of writing and study skills. If you see in your textbook, in grammar, change the following sentences into other forms of comparison as indicated in the brackets. So, what they are saying is they are asking us to convert the sentences into other forms of comparison which are mentioned in the brackets. So, I have already done for you. What you do is you write these sentences in your notebook because the space in your textbook will not be sufficient. Okay, so write neatly and write without any spelling mistakes. See the first one. Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. So they are asking us to convert into comparative degree. So if you convert into comparative degree, how this sentence will be is Rahul Dravid is greater than most other batsmen in the world. So answer for first one is, what you have to write is Rahul Dravid is greater than most other batsmen in the world. See the second. Alexander was the greatest soldier in the world. So they are asking us to convert this sentence into positive degree. So if you convert this sentence into positive degree, the sentence will be like, no other soldier in the world was as great as Alexander. What is the second one? No other soldier in the world was as great as Alexander. See the third. India is one of the fastest developing countries in the world. So they are asking us to convert this sentence into comparative degree. Then what it will be? Yes, it is. India is faster than most other developing countries in the world. India is faster than most other developing countries in the world. See the fourth. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. So they are asking us to convert this sentence into superlative degree. So what it will be? Yes, it is. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The Nile is the longest river in the world. See the fifth one. Hindi is one of the most popular languages in India. So they are asking us to convert this sentence into positive degree. So what it will be? Very few languages in India are as popular as Hindi. What it is? Very few languages in India are as popular as Hindi. See the sixth. Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. So they are asking us to change this sentence into comparative degree. So what it will be? It is Tendulkar is greater than Lara. Tendulkar is greater than Lara. See the seventh one. Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. So they are asking us to convert this sentence into positive degree. Then what it will be? Yes, it is. Very few girls in the class are as beautiful as Rekha. Very few girls in the class are as beautiful as Rekha. See the eighth one. Very few metals are as expensive as platinum. They are asking us to convert this sentence into comparative degree. Then it is platinum is more expensive than most other metals. Platinum is more expensive than most other metals. See the ninth. Shimla is colder than all other hill stations in the Himachal Pradesh. So they are asking us to change this sentence into superlative degree. Then what you will be writing? Shimla is the coldest hill station in Himachal Pradesh. What you will be writing? Shimla is the coldest hill station in Himachal Pradesh. See the 10th one. Delhi is one of the most crowded cities in India, and they are asking us to convert this sentence into positive degree. Then what you will be writing? Very few cities of India are as crowded as Delhi. Very few cities of India are as crowded as Delhi. I think you have understood this. Now we'll be moving to writing in that Roman number 1. Given below are some jumbled sentences. Rearrange them in the right order and write a meaningful paragraph by using appropriate connectivities. So, what they are asking us is, here they have given some jumbled sentences and they are asking us to arrange those sentences in order, means which give a meaning to those sentences. After arranging that, they are asking us to write all those sentences together as a paragraph. So I have already done for you. This also you write in your notebooks. So before that, we will see what actual sentences what they have given. First one, Alexander asked Puru why he had rejected his offer. Alexander defeated many kings besides Puru, became the world conqueror, and was called Alexander the Great. Third one, Alexander was born in Greek and he was the disciple of the greatest Greek philosopher Aristotle. Fourth, Puru lost the battle though his generals and soldiers fought very bravely. Fifth, Alexander asked his soldiers to remove the chains and bring Puru to him. Sixth, Puru killed more than 100 soldiers, but he was gravely injured and chained in the battle. Seventh, Puru lost the battle as he had used the old methods of warfare and elephants. Eighth, Puru said that he was the lawful owner of his kingdom. Ninth, Puru was a brave king and a great soldier of northern India. 10th, Alexander liked Puru's bravery and self-respect, so he became his best friend. 11th, there was a great battle between Alexander and Puru on the banks of Jhelum. 12th, Alexander asked Puru to be his vassal, but he refused. So these are the sentences which are jumbled. So they are asking us to arrange these sentences in order. So I have already written for you. You see it carefully. First one will be Alexander was born in Greek and he was the disciple of the greatest Greek philosopher Aristotle. Next, second will be Puru was a brave king and a great soldier of northern India. Third is Alexander asked Puru to be his vassal, but he refused. Fourth, there was a great battle between Alexander and Puru on the banks of Jhelum. Fifth, Puru killed more than 100 soldiers, but he was gravely injured and chained in the battle. Sixth, Puru lost the battle, though his generals and soldiers fought very bravely. Seventh, Puru lost the battle as he had used the oldest methods of warfare and elephants. Eighth, Alexander asked his soldiers to remove the chains and bring Puru to him. Ninth, Alexander asked Puru why he had rejected his offer. 10th, Puru said that he was the lawful owner of his kingdom. 11th, Alexander liked Puru's bravery and self respect, so he became his best friend. 12th, Alexander defeated many kings besides Puru, became the world conqueror, and was called Alexander the Great. So these sentences are in correct order. So this is the answer for the above jumbled sentences. So what they have asked? They have asked us to arrange those jumbled sentences in order. So we have arranged them in the order. Again, what they have told? They have asked us to write these sentences in a form of paragraph. So see here, I have written paragraph. Alexander was born in Greek and he was the disciple of the greatest Greek philosopher Aristotle. Puru was a brave king and a great soldier of northern India. Alexander asked Puru to be his vassal, but he refused. There was a great battle between Alexander and Puru on the banks of Jhelum. Puru killed more than 100 soldiers, but he was gravely injured and chained in the battle. Puru lost the battle, though his generals and soldiers fought very bravely. Puru lost the battle as he had used the oldest methods of warfare and elephants. Alexander asked his soldiers to remove the chains and bring Puru to him. Alexander asked Puru why he had rejected his offer. Puru said that he was the lawful owner of his kingdom. Alexander liked Puru's bravery and self respect, so he became his best friend. Alexander defeated many kings besides Puru, became the world conqueror, and was called Alexander the Great. So, this is the paragraph which you have to write. Now, moving to Roman number 2. Rewrite the playlet Puru the Brave as a short story. You may follow the steps given below. So, what they are asking us is, they are asking to write the playlet Puru the Brave as a short story. So, to write that short story, they are asking us to use these following steps which they have given here. So we will see those steps. Read the drama script as many times as necessary. Identify the major events depicted in the drama. Take turns and share the major events in the order they occur. Expand each event in terms of the location where it takes place, the characters involved, and what they say, think, or feel. Fourth, write the first draft. Fifth, edit and refine the draft. So what you have to do is, you have to write this playlet Puru the Brave as a short story. This is your homework. Now see the study skills. There are many words which can function as more than one part of speech. For instance, talk can be used as a verb as well as a noun. She talks at length about her dress. Her talk is boring. So, what they are saying is, we can use a word as more than one part of speech. So for example, they have given talk. So we can use talk as a verb as well as a noun. So here, refer to a dictionary and say whether the following words can be used as different parts of speech like noun, a verb, an adjective, etc. The first one is done for you. So what they are asking us is, they are asking us to refer a dictionary and see whether these words can be used, which words they have given here in the table. So they are asking us to find whether these words can be used in different parts of speech like a noun, a verb, an adjective, etc. So first one they have done for us as an example. So in the table you can see columns word, noun, verb, adjective. So words they have given. So we have to tick. Here I have given star marks. You can tick it, means you can tick those appropriate boxes. Okay. Battle means, battle we can use battle in different parts of speech, like we can use it in noun, verb, adjective. So we can use in three different parts of speech battle. So you have to tick in noun, verb, adjective. Now see the next one, chain. Chain we can use in noun and verb. We can't use it in adjective. We can use only in noun and verb. Conquer. Conquer we can use only in verb. Means we can't use as, means we can't use in different parts of speech. We can use only as verb. We can use conquer as verb only. We can't use it as noun or adjective. So what you see here, battle. Battle can be used as noun, verb, adjective. Whereas chain, it can be used as noun and verb. And whereas conquer, only verb. Next is fight. Fight we can use it as a noun as well as a verb. Okay. Like here we can use it as noun, as a verb and as an adjective. We can use in three ways. So tick in three boxes. Okay. Next is refuse. Refuse we can use as a noun and as a verb, but we can't use like an adjective. So you tick in the box noun and verb for refuse. Next is reject. Reject also we can use it as noun and as a verb. Next is respect. Respect also same, noun and verb, means we can use it as noun and as a verb, but we can't use as adjective. Next is talk. Talk we can use it as a noun and as a verb. Treat. Treat also we can use it as a noun and as a verb, and we can't use it as an adjective. So I think you have understood till here. We'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.